Hello students, as we had started the second lesson of the political science, that is the diversity and the discrimination. In our previous session we have studied some concepts just like the prejudice, stereotypes and the discrimination, as well as we have seen that there is a diversity in our India in religion, culture, languages, as well as in many things we have seen the diversity. As well as we have studied the concept prejudice. Prejudice means what? To see people inferior, as well as to judge people negatively. Prejudice means what? Prejudice means to judge people negatively or see them as a inferior. And because of this, because of the prejudice, we treat people badly. Sometimes there is prejudice in our mind about the poor people. At that time we behave them badly. As well as the second concept, we have seen that stereotypes means what? Stereotypes means to fix people in a particular image, as we have seen the examples related to the boy and the girls. There are the statements were given related to the different statements are there related to the boys and the girls. And one statement we have studied, that the boy don't cry. This is the statement that suits to the boy, and we force the boys to keep their mind to grow them with this statement that they don't cry. Then the another concept we have seen, that is the discrimination. Discrimination means humiliate or exploit people on the basis of the caste, on the basis of the religion. And one example we have studied, and that related to the Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who is one of the greatest leaders who fought for the rights of the Dalits, untouchables. And in that discrimination, here we have studied one example related to the Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar and his personal life. Now let's see the next part of the lesson. We have seen that there is a inequality in our India, as well as discrimination is there. Discrimination happens because of the prejudice, we can say. जर आपल्या मनामध्ये पूर्वग्रह असेल एखाद्या गोष्टीबद्दल, किंवा वी हॅव सीन दॅट देर इज अ caste system in our India, upper caste and lower caste, all these things are responsible for the discrimination. And this discrimination is because for the Dalits, untouchables, as well as women, as well as the tribal people. And because of all these things, we have seen that there is a inequality. There is a inequality in our society. So now we are going to study that all these people are started to fight for the equality. For example, what? See, as pointed out earlier, many Dalits organized themselves to gain entry into temples. See, equality ह्या सगळ्यांनी जिथं असमानता आहे किंवा हरॅशमेंट आहे, डिस्क्रिमिनेशन आहे, ह्या सगळ्या लोकांनी काय केलं की आता त्यांनी लढायला चालू केलं. कशासाठी? तर इक्वॅलिटी, त्यांना समान वागणूक मिळावी म्हणून. ह्याच्यामध्ये कोण होतं? तर मेनी दलित्स ऑर्गनाइज देमसेल्व्स टू गेन एंट्री इन टू टेम्पल्स, की त्यांना मंदिरामध्ये प्रवेश मिळावा, जो दलित आणि अनटचेबलना दिला जात नव्हता. देन वुमेन डिमांडेड दॅट दे शुड हॅव ॲज मच अ राईट टू एज्युकेशन ॲज मेन डी. देन वुमेन, स्त्रियांनी त्यांना शिक्षणाचा अधिकार मिळावा ह्याच्यासाठी त्यांनी स्ट्रायव्हिंग चालू केलं. देन peasants and tribals fought to release themselves from the grasp of the moneylender and the high interest they were charged. See here, मग ही सगळी लोक कशासाठी झगडू लागली? तर की त्यांना इक्वॅलिटी, समान अधिकार मिळावा, समान वागणूक मिळावी. म्हणजे पिझंट्स आहेत, पिझंट्स म्हणजे शेतकरी आहेत, खेडूत आहेत, किंवा ट्रायबल पीपल आहेत, त्यांनी मनी लेंडर म्हणजे त्यांच्या मनी लेंडर वी कॅन से सावकार, त्याच्यातून त्यांना सुटका मिळावी किंवा व्याजातून त्यांना मुक्ती मिळावी म्हणून हे सगळे लोक काय करू लागले? तर संघर्ष करू लागले इक्वॅलिटीसाठी. Here, when India became a nation in 1947, our leaders too were concerned about the different kinds of inequalities that existed. Those who wrote the Constitution of India, a document that laid out the rules by which the nation would function, were aware of the in which discrimination had been practiced. See, then when in 1947, when our India became free from the clutches of the British, at that time Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar, who is the founder of the constitution, in that constitution equal rights are given to the all people. See, equal rights are given to the all people, as well as this equality of all persons is seen as key value that unites us all of the Indians. Everyone has equal rights and opportunities untouchability is seen as a crime and has been legally abolished by the law. सी मग आपलं जे भारतीय संविधान आहे, कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन आहे, त्यांनी सगळ्यांना समान अधिकार दिले. Then people are free to choose the kind of work they wish to do. Government jobs are open to all people. In addition, the constitution also places responsibility on the government to take specific steps to realize this right to equality for poor and other such marginal communities. मग जेव्हा ही इनइक्वॅलिटी आपल्या भारतामध्ये बघायला मिळाली तेव्हा 1947 मध्ये जेव्हा आपलं कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन तयार झालं, संविधान तयार झालं, त्या संविधानाने सगळ्यांना समान अधिकार दिला. मग इक्वॅलिटी असेल तर समान अधिकार शिक्षणाचा दिला, एज्युकेशन, राईट टू व्होट, राईट ऑफ एज्युकेशन, राईट ऑफ व्होट, मतदानाचा अधिकार सगळ्यांना समान दिला, गव्हर्नमेंट जॉब सगळ्यांना समान दिले. आणि अशा प्रकारची इक्वॅलिटी, अशा प्रकारचं इक्वल राईट्स किंवा इक्वल अपॉर्च्युनिटी सगळ्यांना दिल्या गेल्या. देन see, the writers of the constitution who also said that the respect for diversity was a significant element in ensuring equality. Here are all leaders says that writers says that in our constitution there is an equal right for everyone and we should respect for everyone. So this is the most important rights were given by the constitution. Therefore, India became a secular country where people of different religions and faiths have the freedom to practice and follow their religion without any fear of the discrimination. This is seen as an important element of our unity, that we all live together and respect one another. आणि कॉन्स्टिट्यूशन सगळ्यांना इक्वल राईट्स दिल्यानंतर सगळ्यांना इक्वल राईट्स, त्याच्याबरोबर सगळ्यांचा एकमेकाचा रिस्पेक्टही करावं हेही सांगितलं. Here in this way we have students, we have finished this chapter, diversity and discrimination, the different concepts we have studied. See on your screen you can see there is a constitution first page. We the people of India, see the constitution preamble, constitution of India preamble. We the people of India, having solemnly resolved to constitute India into a sovereign, socialist, secular, democratic republic, and to secure to all its citizens. बघा सगळ्यांना समान अधिकार दिला गेला. Justice, liberty, equality, fraternity. In our Constituent Assembly, this 26th day of the November 1949, to hereby adopt, enact and give to ourselves this constitution. आणि आपल्या प्रियांबल आहे त्याच्यामध्ये की सगळ्यांना समान अधिकार दिले गेले, सगळ्यांना समान वागणूक दिली गेली. The first page of the constitution that clearly states that all Indians are entitled to inequality of status and the opportunity. In this way, students, see our constitution has given an equal right to everyone without discriminating, without exploiting each other, because our India, in our India there is a diversity in religion, diversity in caste, language, culture, faith. In everything there is a in everything we can see diversity in India. So it is there is a possibility of discrimination. So but our constitution has given a equal right to everyone and solve all these things, and discrimination became a discrimination abolished legally. See questions, some questions are given there. Match the pairs are there. Match the following statements in a way that challenges stereotypes. See, two surgeons were sitting down to lunch when one of them made a call on the mobile phone. See, the answer is maybe third one, to speak with daughter who had just returned from school. See, these are the general statements are given and you have to match them, match the pairs. In this way, students, we have finished this lesson, but before that, see here one box is there. Despite the children offering money, the cartman refused them. Why? See, we have studied the example example related to the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in his personal life. We have studied how he was exploited by the people because of the low caste. So you have to write the answers of these questions also. How did people at the station discriminate against Dr. Ambedkar and his brothers? की स्टेशनवरची लोक त्यांच्याशी कशी वाईट वागली? How do you think Dr. Ambedkar felt as a child when he saw the station master's reaction to his statement? that they were Mahars. See, this is a descriptive questions. You have to write it. You first you have to read the lesson, read that incident very carefully. Then only you can write the answers. So, student, these questions you have to write. Then there is a one column related to the Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. You should read it very carefully. Yes, in this way, students, we have completed this lesson. Read it again very carefully. Then only you will get the idea of the diversity and the discrimination. Okay, thank you.